Hi everyone. In this video, we're going to see how we can use uh, LLM to read a given image like this, and get back text version of the image. Say it will say it has got a box with transformer, it's got an arrow, it's got a elliptical with this message, etc., etc. It'll going to give it to us. Then once we got the text version from this LLM, we can feed that into another code writing LLM, which can write a code. For example, it can write a code to draw a mermaid diagram, or suppose I give a website like this, a Google's website, and it'll go through this, and it'll come back with you know a website design, a HTML app, which will exactly look like that. Okay, let's take this transformer PNG file, and I'm going to feed it to the LLM, and this is a file. So it's working. It usually takes some time because it requires a lot of GPU power, and basically it reads this image and finds out what are the elements in the diagram, and basically it will make a text version of it. And like I said, if we are satisfied with the text version of it, if this image is a website which you are going to write, which you are going to design, you can give the output, the text version output, into another code writing LLM, which will write code based on the text. So you can see that it came back and said, image shows black and white flowchart with the hand drawn, blah blah blah, with all this. So basically, it's around 90% correct. So it says transformer AI, um, and it contains get all the facts, write the truth. Pretty much, if you look at it, this is the image. So this is the input I'm giving to the transformer. It gives you a probability of what is the next word. So it understood. If I take this one and give it to another LLM, write a code for this. Code in the sense I can say ask to draw a mermaid diagram, or any flowchart diagram. It can draw using this input. So this is very powerful. So that way in future, if these two LLMs, one is reading the image, I would say scanning the image, other one takes the output of this LLM and make a code generation, and it'll be saving a lot of time for the project development. So it's exciting that one day, uh, not in too far in future, maybe in few months, we will combine these two LLMs in one shot. We can come back and with a code generation for the given say website image. So hope this is useful, and it also returns a nice JSON. um, it gives what time it created, what is the response which you see here, and it also has got all the context which you can use it for feeding into another LLM. Total time taken, eval and eval count, etc. So hope this is useful to you.